The next question posed is by Mir Fazil. Assalamu alaikum. Can I use nasal drops while fasting? Using nasal drops while fasting is prohibited because the ear, the nose and the mouth, the ENT, they are connected. So when you put a drop in the nasal, there are high chances it can go into your throat and into your stomach. That is the reason while fasting, excessive sniffing of the water while doing wudu is prohibited. Otherwise, generally when you're not fasting, excessive sniffing of water in the nose is mustab, it's a sunnah, but while fasting, it is not to be done. Why? There are high chances that the water in the nose may go into the throat. So putting nasal drops, what natural high chance it will go into the throat. That's the reason putting nasal drops is not permitted while you're fasting. However, using inhalers or inhaling a gas is permitted, but in that inhaler, adding certain constituents in which it may have medicines which may act as droplets and which may go into, that's prohibited. But generally, inhalers, it is permitted.